The 2007 Chevy Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, tow hitch, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, four-wheel ABS, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.